Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and Chalkcouture, and today I'm so excited to share with you some cutting boards I found at IKEA for $4.99. We're going to create some custom cutting boards using these cutting boards, black and white Chalkology paste, a small squeegee, and our new fuzzing cloth to get our bake it and they will come transfer ready. We'll center this into the cutting board, grab the black Chalkology paste, and using our small squeegee, apply a generous amount. We can always remove the excess and put it back into the jar so we can use it for another project later. And here comes my favorite part, the reveal. Look at that. I love hugs. I love kisses, but what I really want is help with the dishes. Let's grab the other cutting board. Now, the fuzzing cloth will get our transfers ready. You do want to fuzz them about 5 times. They're pretty sticky, and if you do not do this, when you lift your transfer up, you could curl and damage the transfer. We'll use our bright white Chalkology paste, put a generous amount on there, squeegee off the excess, and we get to see our masterpiece. Look at that, bake it, and they will come. Now, if you're going to use this, I would definitely put some Krylon spray, either flat or glossy, so that way it is well protected. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's quick project. Make sure to check all the links down below and use my shop for your Chalkcouture needs. Thanks, everyone. Bye.